In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an email contact group in Gmail step by step so you can easily organize people you email often and send messages to a whole group in just a few clicks. This is super useful for teams, families, clients, classmates, or any list of contacts you want to keep together in one place. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy Gmail tips. Alright, Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to contacts.google.com. This is Google Contacts, and it's where Gmail stores and manages your contact groups, also called labels. Once the page loads, sign in with the same Gmail account that you use for your email. If you're already signed in, you can move straight to the next step. Now look at the left sidebar. You should see a label section, and next to it, there will be a plus icon. Click that plus icon to create a new label. A small window will pop up asking you to create a label. This is where you name your contact group. Type in a clear label name that makes sense for your contacts. For example, you could name it family, work, clients, school, or any other group you want. Choosing a simple and recognizable name will make it much easier to find later when you need to email that group. After typing the name, click Save. And just like that, your new email contact group has been created in Gmail. But creating the group is only the first part. Now let's go over how to add contacts to it. To add people to your new group, go through your contact list and select one or more contacts you want included. You can add a single contact or multiple contacts at once, which makes this process fast if you already have a large list. Once your contacts are selected, look at the top of the page for the label icon. Click that icon to open the labeling options. From the list that appears, choose the label or group name you just created. Then click Apply to assign those contacts to the group. After that, those contacts will now be saved under your Gmail contact group. The next time you want to email everyone in that group, you can simply start a new email and type the group name, and Gmail will help you quickly send it to all the contacts inside. This is one of the easiest ways to stay organized in Gmail and save time every time you send an email to the same set of people. Instead of typing every address manually, your contact group keeps everything neat, simple, and ready to use. If you want, you can always come back later and add more contacts, rename the label, or create additional groups for different parts of your life or business. The process is the same every time, so once you know how to do it, it becomes very easy. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful Gmail tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.